Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys on can you unblock yourself on Instagram after someone has blocked. So let's say one of your friend has blocked you and you want them to unblock you. Well, you cannot just go into their profile and then just click on so that you get unblocked. The person has blocked you, which means until and unless the person makes a decision to unblock you, you're not going to be unblocked. But there are a couple of techniques you guys can use so that you can get unblocked by that specific user. So let's say one of my friend Witchy Kevin has blocked me. So in order for me to get unblocked, I have to have access to his account. So if I have access to his Instagram account, I can go on the blocked center to unblock myself. So it's pretty simple. So if I had access to my friend's account, I could just go on his profile by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right and click on the three line at the top right and then go inside settings. And inside settings, I'm going to click on search and search for block. And once I search for blocked, I'm going to click on blocked account and then just click on unblock and click on unblock and unblock myself. Just like this, I can do that. But let's say I don't have access to his account. Then the only thing I can do is I need to contact him on my another social platform. Then Instagram is not the only platform I'm connected with. Alright, you can use Facebook, or you can use Messenger, or you can use WhatsApp, or if you have their phone number, you can just call them and ask them to unblock you. That's the second option you have. And if you're thinking of creating a second account to contact him, so he can unblock you, then that's not going to work because Instagram has this feature. If somebody has blocked you, then if you create a secondary account, Instagram will instantly know that you have created a second account. I don't know how they do that, but they will know. So trying to contact them using a second account is not going to work. So the only method is either you have to have access to their Instagram or you just have to contact them using anything else rather than Instagram. Snapchat, WhatsApp, Facebook, phone number, or anything. So that's the only way you guys can unblock yourself on Instagram after someone has blocked you. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.